Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a USB pen drive to your Samsung tablet. So using one of these adapters, I got a USB to USB-C adapter right here. This is like $3 on Amazon, very inexpensive. Or you can get a thumb drive here or a pen drive with USB-C built in, and then I got USB on the back here. So I can just connect this drive right here, then connect it to my tablet. So let's do that now. Okay, now that we have it connected, we can just swipe up and then go to Files. Okay, we can go to My Files, Files, then tap the three lines in the top left, scrolling down, and you can see my USB storage device is on here. If you don't see it, you probably have to format it to EXFAT32 using your computer in File Explorer. Just change the file format. Then we go into one of these documents or videos, whatever it may be, and just hold down on it, and we can go to copy or move. Go to USB storage, and then find the location, could be in a folder, and go to copy here. And then I already have it on there, so I can just go on down, and I can look at my video that I made. We can just choose one of these options, and then we can view the video. So very easy to do. We can take this out and we can bring it to a computer or a phone or something like that now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.